In this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my best settings for Streamlabs OBS for recording. So here you go. I would just leave on type on standard. Recording path, whatever file you have for your videos, I would definitely put it on whatever file you have it on so they're always saved. Recording format, put it on MP4. Auto track, put it on 1. Recording, I would definitely put it on hardware settings because hardware definitely does better than doing it on a CPU. Rate control, put it on CBR. Bitrate, depending on your internet connection. Keyframe, put it on to preset. Whatever hardware you're using, definitely to that. Tuning, depending on the hardware you're using. Profile, put it on high. Physical tuning, turn that on.